Good morning. We're finally looking at our last test. This is the first part of the test. What we're going to do is determine today how we can determine if something is normal or abnormal. Let's see. Okay. And you should always keep this sheet in front of you. The rhythm criteria for normal. Keep it right beside your EKG. I don't need it, but you should keep it right beside it. So let's see. We know that normal means we'll find a P, a good P. We mean that it's a good P would be down here. You can see that. Okay, this is a P, this is a P, this is a R, and this is a R. So if P to P equals the same thing as R to R, then you know your atrials and ventricles are contracting simultaneously at the same time. So you write number 1, P to P equals R to R. Then you go back and see if there's a PQRS for every cycle. PQRST. PQRST. Using your old homework assignment, you circle the P, you square the T, and you triangle the T. So number 2, yes. There is a PQRST every cycle. ER. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is decide using just those two criteria. We've already decided that this is a normal rhythm. But there are 3 normal rhythms and they're based on rate. So we're going to decide by rate which one of these 3. We have normal sinus rhythm, sinus tachycardia, and sinus Brady. So this mark to this mark is 3 seconds. And from this mark to this mark is 6 seconds. We want 6 seconds. We want to know beats per minute. So we'll count the number of QRS in that 6-second timeline and divide it by 10. 10 times 6 is 60. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go over, and our other criteria is 3. Heart rate is 81. We know the normals are based on heart rates, and normal sinus rhythm, if you look at your sheet, is anything from 60 to 100. Okay? So heart rate is 60. So our interpretation is going to be normal. Normal. Sinus rhythm. Okay? Now we'll look at our next sheet. Let's see. These are so close together, we're going to have to really look hard to find some real good P waves. Oh, let me get the light over here. So that'll help. I think I see real good P waves here. So we're going P, P, R to R. And take your calipers and you go from one P to the next P. And B is, and don't move them. And P to P does equal R to R. That's the exact same R. So you put number 1, P to P, equal R to R. And then you see, we were trying to see if this is normal or not. Is there a P, Q, R, S, T for every cycle? And, now that's better. So P to P equals R to R. Then you got P, Q, R, S, T, P, Q, R, S, T, P, Q, R, S, T, P, Q, R, S, T. That lets us know that it's what? Normal. So we got 1 P to P equal R to R, 2 P, Q, R, S, T every cycle. Now we're going to see what the rate is. This and this is 3 seconds. And this is 3 seconds. So that's 60 seconds. Let's see how many we get. Let's see how many we can get. How many QRSs are between those lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 times 13 is 130. So when you got a rate over when you got a rate that's heart rate 130, we know that that's normal sinus rhythm, but it's also sinus tachycardia. Anything above 100 is sinus tachycardia. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. You sure gotta turn that right. Okay, the first thing you're gonna look for is 2 P's and 2 R's. I see right here, P, P, does it equal R to R? Or you can look at some uprighted R's if you want to. R to R. So from this P to this P equals from this R to this R. Okay? What I need to find is a good space so I can get everything. So we're gonna go P to P equals R to R. Number 2, we're going to see if there's a PQRST for every cycle. PQRST, 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 PQRST. So there's a P for QRST for every cycle. That lets us know that this is a normal rhythm. Every cycle. I'm trying to keep the paper, I'm trying to keep the paper in range so you can see it from how I'm writing. Now number 3 would be your what? Your rate. So let's get 6 seconds. Okay. I'm going here to here. That's 3 seconds. And from here to here, that's 6 seconds. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because this started on the P wave, we're just going to say that this heart rate is 59. Because you almost got 6, but you don't. Full ones. And so anytime you got P to P equals R to R, PQRS for every cycle, heart rate is 59. My writing is terrible. Let me see, can I improve that? You have sinus bradycardia. Okay. Seems like I'm having a harder time this time. Okay, those are your normal sinus rhythm, normal sinus tach, and normal sinus brady. Now, we'll look at this other EKG. And as we can see on this EKG, P to P does not equal R to R, does it? Because we got a P, 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 R, R, and there's a lot of funny looking P waves. See that? That doesn't equal to R to R, okay? So if P to P does not equal R, R, we know that it's not